This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carrie Henning. Single family home under 200,000, here you go. Open floor plan 2-bedroom, 1-bath home with an oversized 1-car garage. Enclosed lanai for added living space. Private location on a cul-de-sac and protected preserve. Clean and tidy, freshly painted both inside and out, ready for the finishing touches to make it your own. New roof 2015. Property offers a private backyard and room for a pool. Bring your boat, RV, and pets, all are welcome. Gulf access homes just across the street, easy access to shopping, dining, I-75 in the downtown district. Excellent investment, starter or part-time home. Incredible potential awaits. For more information, review the details below.